Hello and welcome to No to Science. Today is a very special day, it's Pi Day. On this day, we celebrate the mathematical constant pi, which is approximately equal to 3.1415. But what is pi and why do we celebrate it? Pi is a mathematical constant that represents the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. This means that no matter how big or small a circle is, if you divide its circumference by its diameter, you will always. Pi is an irrational number, which means it goes on infinitely without repeating, making it a unique and interesting mathematical constant. The use of pi goes back thousands of years, with the ancient Egyptians and Babylonians using approximations of pi in their mathematical calculus. It wasn't until the 17th century that pi was first calculated to many decimal places by mathematician Ludolf van Siert. So why do we celebrate Pi Day? Pi Day is celebrated on March 14, 314, because it represents the first three digits of Pi Day was first celebrated in 1988 by physicist Larry Shaw at the Exploratorium in San Francisco, and has since become a global. Pi has many important applications in mathematics, science, and engineering. It is used in calculations involving circles, spheres, and other curved shapes, as well as in trigonometry, calculus, and many other areas. Pi is also used in physics and engineering to calculate things like wave frequencies, fluid dynamics, and Some interesting facts about pi include that it has been calculated to over 31 trillion decimal places, that there is a pi world record for memorizing the most digits, and that there is even a Pi Day pie recipe that uses the first 1000 digits of pi to determine the ingredients and measurement. In conclusion, Pi Day is a celebration of the mathematical constant pi and its many important applications in our world. Whether you're a math lover or just love pi, there's something for everyone on Pi Day. Thanks for tuning in to No to Science and happy Pi.